Hello student, let's try to understand a problem student, that is iodoform test. That iodoform test, this is what the reaction student. It gives actually, if you are treating with the I2 and NaOH student, so it gives the yellow PPT, and yellow PPT with what student? It is going to give the aldehyde and ketone. What type of aldehyde ketones they are going to give? That is, always keep in mind student, either it should have that is the CH3, here will be C double bond O, either one group this, or it can also give student CH double bond O, not double bond, here you see little bit 2 degree, that is the alcohol, this is the OH student, here will be CH3. So either you say that is any group is having methyl keto group, methyl keto group, or methyl hydroxyl group, this is hydroxyl group. So they are going to give student positive iodoform test, positive iodoform test. This is what the, now either you write student I2 plus NaOH, it is going to give what student? NaOI, sodium hypoiodide, okay, sodium hypoiodide, IODID, sodium hypoiodide. Student, see the statement here, what is written, okay, very clearly you can understand here. Oxidation of methyl ketones, what group student? Methyl ketone. What they are I am showing, this is methyl group student, this is ketone. So this is what the group is called student? Methyl keto group, methyl keto. So see, oxidation of methyl keto by haloform reaction. Okay, now see, aldehyde and ketones having at least one methyl group linked to a carbonyl carbon atom, that is methyl ketone, are oxidized by sodium hypohalide. What is sodium hypohalide? You can see this is the sodium hypohalide, NaOX, to the sodium salt of corresponding carboxylic acid. So it is converting into the what? Carboxylate salt, having one carbon atom less than that of the carbonyl compound. Here you see how many carbon are there? 1, and here is alkyl group. So here you see 2, and this is also having the 2, but here in this one reactant there is methyl group are there, this is converting into the what? Haloform. So total carbon here are 3, but it is converting to give the product of 2 carbon, right? So corresponding carboxylic acid having one carbon atom less than that of the carbonyl group. So if you are having the 3 carbon atom, so it is going to give what student? Salt of 2. So 1, 2, 3 are there, but here the product you are going to get what? That is 2 carbon, and this is the haloform, because methyl keto group is converting into CHX3. The methyl group is converted into haloform. This oxidation does not affect the carbon-carbon double bond. Here you see student, carbon-carbon double bond is there. It is nothing is changing student. It is as it is. Only methyl keto group is converted into this ion. If present in the molecule, iodoform reaction with sodium hypohalide is also used for the detection of CH3CO group, CH3CHOH group. CH3CHOH group, see CH3CH and OH group, which produces CH3CO group in on oxidation. If you are oxidizing this one, so what it will give? Again it is going to give C double bond O, and here is CH3. So again methyl keto group. So this is what the simple student, very simple. See, methyl keto group is compulsory. If suppose this one is aldehyde is there, so this one there is no methyl keto group. So if you are treating I2 plus NaOH, okay, or you are simply you can say NaOI, so it will not reaction, no reaction student. Why no reaction? Can you tell me why not reaction? As it does not have methyl keto group, so it is not having the methyl keto group. Like methyl keto group, this group is not there, student. Or what is this? Is CH, this is the OH, here is CH3. Since these two groups are not there, these groups in this compound, so it is not going to give. Now let us see here, CH3, C double bond O, and here is H. Now if you are treating with the sodium hypohalide student, NaOI, so what it will give is student, CH3 C double O N A, okay, plus CHI3 student, this is the yellow PPT, this is yellow PPT, okay. So it will give, why it is going to give, because it is having the methyl keto group. Now one more compound, if you talk about this one, CH3 CH2 C double bond O and H, this is, if you are treating with the sodium hypoiodide, so it is not going to give student no reaction. Why? Because this is not having, is there methyl keto group, this is the alpha carbon is CH2 not CH3, so no reaction student. Now let us see the ketone. I am taking another example, C double bond O, here is CH3 student. So this compound you see, this is the methyl keto group, yes or no, this is the methyl keto group. So since it is having methyl keto group and you are treating with the NOI student, it will give CH3 C double O N A, okay, this is Na is there, plus what it will give is student, CHI3, this is the yellow precipitate. Now if you talk about this one, I am giving you one more compound student, CH3 CH2 C double bond O, this is CH2 CH3. So if you are treating with the NaOI, so it is not going to give a reaction. Why it is not giving the reaction student? Where is the methyl keto group? There is no methyl keto group, so it will not give student. One more product you see student, suppose I am taking this one, C double bond O, and here you can take this one, C double bond O. There is no methyl keto group now student, so it is also not giving the reaction, okay. So these are the many. If you talk about this one student, acetophenone I am taking, C double bond O, and here is CH3. So if you are treating with the NaOI, so it will give what it will give student, this compound C double O N A plus CHI3, because reason is this is having the methyl keto group, right. Now student, you see the one more reaction, you see the what is there in the book student, what is there, this is, if you are talking about this compound is the, what is there, 1 2 3 4 5, so it is there student, if you are writing 3 methyl pent 3 in, so let us write this equation, you may be getting confused, 1 2 3 4 5. On the second position, this is O is there student. On the third position, what is there? CH3 is there, and here is double bond also there. So here is CH3. This is what is there student, single bond. Here is single bond. Here is CH2. This is what is CH. So now, if you see this one, this compound, if you are treating with the NaOI, so this will give the methyl keto is there na. So this will give the product. But what is the problem student in this one, in this reaction? That is the double bond do not change student, double, it does not affect the double bond. So CH3 CH double bond C, here is CH3 student, and if you see this compound student, so C double O N A, and this CH3 group will be converted to what student, CHI3. So this is the NCERT one, NCERT problem. So this is what the iodoform. I hope it will be helpful to you to understand. Thank you very much for watching. In case of doubt, you put me message.